You are watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So in today's tutorial, you will learn CapCut video editing. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get started to it. So to learn how to do a video editing on CapCut, first thing you're going to do is to click on the app, which is CapCut. If you don't have the app on your phone or on your iPhone, if you are using an Android or Samsung, you can get the app on Play Store, and if you are using an iPhone, you can get the app on your App Store. So I have the app on my phone, which is CapCut. So I'm going to click on the CapCut now. So after that, the first thing you're going to be doing is to upload the video you want to edit. The first thing is uploading the video. So I'm going to upload the video now. So this video I will be using for the tutorial. So this video that I will be using for the CapCut video editing tutorial. So I'm going to click on add. Then after that, the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is cutting or streaming video clips. So what I mean by cutting or streaming video clips, so as you can see, let me play this video now. Now, if I want to stream the video, this is streaming the video. That is, I'm streaming it. I don't want it to show from the beginning, right? That is what streaming or video means. So I can see that I've streamed it. Then cutting it. When I mean what I meant by cutting the video, this is what cutting means. What you're going to do is you click on split. That is what it means. You click on this, so that is cutting. You already cut the video into two. So this video, when this video starts playing now, the video is going to stop. It's going to stop because it has been cut and it's going to start again from it. You can see a line in between. It shows the video has been cut into two. That's the first thing you should know. That is, if you want to watch, if you want to cut or you want to stream your video. The next thing is adding transition between clips. Adding a transition between clips. So this is my video now. This is my clip in between of the two videos. So, and I want to add a transition that is going to showcase that's going to make the video look more good or more interesting to the audience. So to add a transition to the video, I'm going to click on this clip. Then after clicking on it, it's going to bring all what I needed for the transition. So this is it. So this is the stuff that you need for your transition. So I think I have one in my favorites, and not to waste our time because of the network. So I'm going to click this now for you to know what I'm talking about, adding transition between clips. So I'm going to click on this now. So I already added a transition in between the clips. So let's see. I hope you can see what just happened right now. That is what they mean by adding transition between clips. So that's the second one. So the third one is inserting text, captions, and subtitles. So how do you insert text? Inserting text to a video using a CapCut is more way simple. What you're going to do is, if you want to insert a text, you're just to click on this text. Then you add your text. You add your text. That is, for example, let me write, I saw a cat that could not move. So as you can see, this is my text. And you can also use this as a caption already. This is also a caption, and this is how you put in your text. Now, what you just type in here now, you can also make it your subtitle. How you can make it your subtitle is also very easy. So what you're going to do is text to speech. You're going to click on this, text to speech. Then you're going to add a voice that you wish for it the way it's going to sound. So I'm going to be using this for my voice.
I saw a cat that couldn't move.
You can see that. So that's the subtitle. I saw a cat that could not move. So I'll bring the text to speak.
I saw a cat that couldn't move.
So as you can see, you don't have to stress yourself using your voice or also inserting text caption and words and subtitles. So that's how you can do that. The next one is adding background music and sound effects. So you can see this video. You want to add your background music. All you have to do is just click on the audio. You go to the sound. Then you see a lot of sound that you wish that you can use. And you can also search for the sound you think you can also use as well. So I might want to use an emotional sound. So I'm going to go here. Then, okay, I'm going to type emotional sound. Let me just write emotional. So let's click on this. Now, all you have to do is just click on the plus button. Now you can see we have
I saw a cat that couldn't move.
Now we can see that we have added our sound. Now, to put a sound effect to the sound, maybe you wish to add a sound effect to the sound, all you have to do is you can increase the speed of the sound.
I saw a cat that couldn't.
Or you reduce the speed of the sound.
I saw a cat that
and
couldn't
what you
move.
can do to the sound again is by putting a beat. Maybe you wish to add a beat to the sound. You can also add it if you wish to. So that is all about adding background music and sound effects. So the next one is applying filters and visual effects. Applying filters and visual effects. So maybe the visual of the video you're editing, maybe you don't like the visual. So how can you apply filters and visual effects to it? All you have to do is just click on the video. You click on effects. So as you can see, we have a video effects here. You can click on it as well. So you can see this is a video effects. Then let me use, I can just use this. Let's use fading. I think it's the next work.
I saw a cat that couldn't move.
So you can see that an effect has been applied.
I saw a cat that couldn't move.
So that is how you can put an effect on your video. So and it's going to come out nice. And you can also adjust the video. Maybe you can also adjust the video if you wish. So this is the filter part. Now you can see different. Let's use this colorful.
I saw a cat that couldn't move.
You can see that the filter part has already changed. Then let's make use of another one. Let's use this as well. Let's use this. Okay. You can see the filter of the video has already changed. So that is how you can do it. So the next one is using animation and keyframes. Using animations and keyframes. How can you do that? You can see that this part is feeling very weak. It could not move. So I wanted to add something like animation, something to showcase what the cat is going through. So you just go to here. You click on the sticker. Then you look for something showcasing what the cat is going through. What I'm talking about is maybe you can add a It's because of the network, so it's not really loading what I'm supposed to use. So it's going to show a cat crying or a sticker crying. So you're just going to add it to it, and that's the animation aspect. So that's the animation aspect. I'm sorry, it's because of the network, it's couldn't load, so you can also do that on your phone. So if you wish to add something to make the video to showcase what your video is, what the video implies, so that's it. So the next one is adjust video speed, maybe slow motion or fast motion. You can see this
I saw a
video now.
cat that couldn't move.
So you wish to increase the speed of the video, or you wish to slow it down. What you're going to do is click on the speed. Now I'm going to put the speed on 5x now. Then let's play it.
Saw a cat that couldn't move.
Because you can see how fast the video is. So, and if you want to slow it down back to the normal position of the video where it is before, you're just going to, you can also change it here, and you will see
couldn't move.
The more you increase the speed of the video, the more it will give you the length. So that's just it.
Couldn't move.
The video is back to the normal position. So the next one is, which is the last thing after you already done all that to your video, after you have cut, stream, after you have added your transition, after you have inserted your text, caption and subtitles, after you have added the background music or sound effects, after you have applied your filters, visual effects, after you have used your animation keyframe, after you have adjusted the video to the speed, to the rate you wish it should be, then we just export your video. And how can you export your video? You're going to click on your export. Then your video will be exported to your gallery, and you can post it to whatever apps you wish to post, maybe YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and this is it for this CapCut editing tutorial. So if you followed along, you should know how to edit your videos from start to finish using CapCut and everything I already said in the video. So if this tutorial helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss future tutorials on AI, YouTube growth and mobile editing. If you have any questions or need help with any part of CapCut, leave a comment below and I will do my best to help. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.